It's time for cooking with Finn. He's got the fire within, outside or in the kitchen. Come on, cooking with Finn.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Finn. Today we're going to make beef and bean burritos. First I've got my ingredients: ground beef, cheese, avocados, onions, and garlic, tortillas, seasoning, and beans. Oh my! There's a lot of stuff. Safety first. Keep that knife back. Cut up your onions, but don't cut open those pockets. There they have gas in them. That makes you cry. Gas. Peel off the outer two layers of your onion skin.
Finn, chop!
Oh no, the gas! The onion gas! Scrape your onions into the bowl and get your seasoning. You need cumin, chili powder, and salt. Peel the outer skin off of your garlic till you find the cloves. Found one! Lay your knife flat over the garlic clove and...
Finn, smash it!
Oh no! Finn's power is too great! Run, garlic, run! Ha, gotcha. I'm peeling the skin off of the garlic. Chop your garlic up really fine. Carefully use your finger to wipe the extra bits off your knife. Drizzle some olive oil into the pan. Turn on the stove, but don't get burned. Put your onions and garlic into the pan. Careful it doesn't spit at you. Now stir it all up. This is called sautéing. Keep the heat low for about 5 minutes and then add your meat. Break up your meat and stir it in with the onions so it browns evenly.
Finn, stir!
Gotta get that grease off. You may need some parent help pouring the grease. 'Tis the season for the seasoning. Tap in your cumin and chili powder and sprinkle in the salt.
Finn, sprinkle!
Using the awesome stool my uncle made me, you should get one. I step up and open the can of black beans. Pour your beans into a strainer and rinse them with a little water. Use your hands to mix it all up. Using my awesome stool, I stir it all in.
Finn, stir!
I like to put my tortillas in the microwave to heat them up. Sprinkle some fresh cilantro on top. I always like to put on the cheese first to melt the cheese to make this gooey layer of cheese.
Finn, layer cheese!
Next layer is meat. Add tomatoes, raw! I use diced ones from a can. Is this sunscreen? No, it's sour cream. Add a dollop on top. Time to roll up your burritos. Do one end over the other to make it easier. Experts agree.
Is good!
This is the finished product. Keep cooking and stay safe, everyone. This was Cooking with Finn.
It's time for cooking with Finn.
Hey, if you enjoyed Cooking with Finn, do him a favor and hit that like button and click the subscribe button if you want to be alerted to whenever he live streams or uploads. Thanks so much.